Lollipop for my tanku, and for that I have a toothpick that I cut off the pointy end. I have some white clay, some pink clay, and some translucent clay. And I'm going to mix these three colors, but I'm not gonna mix it all together. I would like to have some color variation in it. You can use the colors you like for this. Okay, and now I'm going to take a piece of it for the lollipop itself. And this one is going to be quite big, so I'm going to take a bit more of it. I don't want it too big. Like that. Then I'm carefully making a tiny hole in my lollipop, and I'm making it bigger and wider so it fits on the cut end. And if you want this lollipop to be in 1 to 12, you just take a piece of wire instead of a toothpick. But you can still make it for 1 to 12. So here we go. And I take this clay and I put it through my pasta machine in the smallest setting. And as my pasta machine don't want to make it thinner than this, because this is not that thin, I'm going to roll it a bit more to make it just a tiny bit thinner. Oops. Just don't do like I did here. I don't know what happened. There we go. And then I am cutting a very thin strip here. Like this one. And if I can do this, I am going to put it around the middle of my lollipop. And do not make it overlay. And I think I'm going to put my pin here in a tiny dot of Big Bond. I have it here. So that my lollipop will stick to the pin. Like that. And make sure you have a tiny strip around your lollipop sitting where you want it. Right about in the middle. And that's actually it. Now you bake it. So enjoy!